Hey guys, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this important video we're going to talk about how to build a 10,000 subscribers email list within 90 days with solo ads traffic. It's going to be a super cool video and I'm going to showcase to you how I have done it myself and how you can do it in your business. In a moment from now, I'm going to showcase to you absolutely step by step how we can build a 10,000 subscribers email list within 90 days flat. So let's begin. Now, before we even talk about the core topic of the video, that how to build a 10,000 subscribers email list, the first thing which I want to talk to you about that you might or might know, and that is money is in the list. This is a well-known proverb in the online marketing circuit, because the bigger your email list is, the more money can you make from leveraging that email subscribers list. Let's understand this important concept in details. Now, when you are building an email list, that means you are basically building a database of subscribers who have raised their hands to know more about the information you want to share with them. Now, because they have raised their hand, it also means that they are someone who are looking to make money online via different sources. So if you happen to provide them that opportunity, they are for sure going to buy it from you. They are the people who, out of the herd, they have raised their hands and they are looking for that opportunity to change their current situation. And that's why it is said that the bigger is your email list, the more money you can make, because once you build that database or the email list inside your autoresponder, you can simply email them every day or alternative days about an opportunity or about the same opportunity over a period of time, and you can be making money from that email list. This is the easiest, fastest known passive income way for any affiliate marketer out there. So that's why marketers out there, be a video marketer or a blogger or a product launcher, the most important thing they focus on is building their email list. All right, so how that thing happens is consistently when you build an email list, you are basically building your asset over a period of time, and then you start leveraging the asset for for the next 5, 10 or a number of years. All right, so the other formula says that one subscriber who comes to your email list is equivalent to $1. Now this is a completely hypothetical figure, and there are people who makes way more than that, and there are people who makes way less than that. Now this is $1 equals to one subscriber is we are talking about per monthly basis. That means that if you have an email list of 500 subscribers, you can be making $500 per month from that email list passively. Similarly, if you have built an email list of 1,000 subscribers, that means you could be making potentially $1,000 per month. And if you have an email list of 10,000 subscribers, you could be potentially making $10,000 per month. Now, again, as I told before, this is a hypothetical figure. There are marketers out there who will make way more than that from their email list size. And there are marketers who make way less than that. So let's say even if you make, $0.50 per subscriber, still you are making $5,000 per month, which is a phenomenal income any part of the world, and it is in many parts it is better than a full-time job. Now what if you could be making $0.25 per subscriber? That is 1/4 of the hypothetical industry norm figure. That means still you are making $2,500 per month from that email list, which means that you are still making a full-time living. Now if you can do that with your present job, how cool is that? So you can build a parallel income stream along with your present job, and no other opportunity can give you this freedom to build another income stream without leaving your present job or business. Now the important question which comes next is that how to build that 10,000 email subscribers. Now your goal might not be 10,000, it can be 1,000, it can be 5,000, but I just giving my figure which was in my mind when I started online with solo ads traffic. So let's look at the steps in which can help you to build a 10,000 subscribers list in 90 days time. First of all, whether it is possible, it's very much possible. I'm going to show it to you now how I did it and how you can do it 2. Now if you divide, let's say, 10,000 subscribers over a period of 90 days, which means that you need roughly 112 subscribers per day. Let's look at the calculator which I have just opened for you. So if I want to build a 10,000 email subscribers list, okay, let's do it once again. If I want to build a email subscribers list of 10,000 and I have 90 days in my hand, which means that 111.11, so if you just make it a full number, it's coming 112 subscribers, so per day, if I can build 112 subscribers in my email list, provided obviously some are going to unsubscribe over a period of time, then I'm going to build that email list in 90 days. Now the next step comes that how many clicks I need to buy in order to build that subscriber list. So the industry average standard is 35 to 40%. Some people get more than 50% opt-in ratio also, but I'm taking the conservative approach of, let's say, 35 to 40%. That means on an approximate, if you get 250 clicks per day coming into your offer, that means with 40% kind of opt-in ratio, you are going to be building 112 subscribers per day into your autoresponder reservoir or email list, and you're going to be hitting your target. Now the most important thing which might have already come into your mind already is that I don't have if I'm paying even just 50 cents per click, I don't have $112 or $115 or let's say $125 to invest on a daily basis. Neither I had when I started online. So what's the solution? Now here is the catch. When you are sending traffic to your offer, and if you are sending traffic from the right resources of solo ads, you are going to be making sales, correct? So you're going to be making commissions from the first day onwards. So without spending that money, what you need to do, you need to reinvest the money in buying traffic again and again and again. So let's say, for example, you spend your first $125 approximately for buying 250 clicks, providing I'm taking 50 cents per click, which is a standard kind of rate. And let's say you make $70 in the first 2 days from that affiliate commission from the traffic you send to the offer. So that money you should be reinvesting plus some money over there. And then the next day, on the third day, you should be keeping those profits and putting some from your pocket and putting those money into your traffic purchase. Over a period of time, let's say in 7 days of time, you'll see that you have built a 700 to 800 people subscribers list. So next, what you need to do, you need to start mailing those email lists also, so that you are starting to leverage those existing email lists. Though it's smaller, but you'll make some money, maybe $20 or $30 per day. So now what happens is that you no longer have to put your fresh money from the pocket. The money which you are making from your offers plus from your email list, they can be reinvested into buying fresh traffic, and you are able to build a fresh email list in 90 days period of time. And that's how I started online. That's how I build my if I show you my account directly, no one will do that, by the way. You can see I have over here 42,000 subscribers over here in this account in my Aweber. So that's the way. If you start building your email subscribers list in the right way, in 90 days period of time, you should be able to build that subscribers list. And the best part is that you are not stretching yourself. The profit which you are making from those traffic, you are reinvesting in the business after 3 to 4 days once you get a hang of that. Now, other important thing is that once you are starting to spend on traffic, you should be starting with $250 clicks per vendor at the max from whatever source you are buying from. And then if it's working, you can keep on buying. If it doesn't, then don't buy from the person again, because money is important for us and we're here to make money. The other important aspect is that leveraging your email list. Now once you start buying traffic for 5 to 6 to 7 days and you have built a 500 subscribers list, don't wait. People have this habit of procrastinating. Don't wait. I did that mistake, but don't wait. Start blasting your email list from that day onwards and start making their money, and then spend that money in buying fresh traffic. People are going to unsubscribe, but don't bother about that. And that's the formula. That's the way you can build your email subscribers list of 10,000 in 90 days period of time, and then there is no looking back. Then you can be mailing your list on a daily basis, and you could be making money from there. Now I have built a video on how to write email swipes. You can get the video on the I button, so it can help you to know how to leverage your email list, how to write swipes and all. I have given some resources also. Plus, for staying with me in this particular video, I have a super cool bonus for you, which is my $10,000 per month affiliate groundbreaking affiliate marketing system. You can just download this from the link below, and you will be super happy with that resources, I'm absolutely sure. So if you have liked the particular video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that, because I share this kind of power-packed live videos about affiliate marketing and traffic, so that once you hit the bell icon, this kind of videos will be directly sent to your email inbox. And now the best part, now in the next video I'm going to showcase to you how to get more people to subscribe to your email list with one small trick, which can help you to increase the subscription rate even 10 to 20%. And that's the particular trick which no one reveals. So I'll see you in the next video.